Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm here to show you how versatile it is my motovlog setup now that I found this DANGO gripper mount. I've managed to make it portable, fittable for any helmet, and the sound is the one that you're listening now. But I can also do this kind of vlogging handheld, where I can show the motorcycle that I'm reviewing, whatever, using the gripper mount, a GoPro, in this case the Hero 3 Plus, and a microphone, exactly the same microphone as I used on my helmet, I'm using at this moment. We're gonna see how it catches and how it handles the wind. It's a windy area here. As you will see, all the trees here are moving, and I'm turning around so it catches the wind in different directions, to see how good this microphone is for this kind of action. It's not the perfect solution, but it is a better solution than the internal mic from the action cameras. How do I configure this portable setup that I'm starting to use all the time now? It's very easy, okay? I'm using an action camera, the DANGO gripper mount, and a cheap microphone that I bought from Amazon. It's flexible, it's nice, so I just have to flex it, go inside the helmet, and I have sound while I'm riding. Like you saw before, if I just remove it from the helmet, in seconds I can have a camera where I can talk to with a microphone, and it's very useful, very practical. I can use it handheld, I can put it like here on the seat of my bike, twist the microphone since it is flexible, and now I could be talking to the camera, doing whatever without worrying. Of course, it's a little bit windy here, it's wobbling a little bit, but I can do it, or I can put it here, find a place where I can attach it and turn the camera, whatever. There is solution for everything. The main thing here is that it is portable. It's super fast, super practical, and I can wear it on any helmet without having to put all those GoPro stickies or whatever other solutions that are out there on the market. Simple GoPro camera, the Hero 3, it's the one I have. I have a 10, but it is broken. The gripper mount and a cheap microphone from Amazon, and in seconds I can change from the setup from the helmet to handheld, and if I want, again, back to the helmet, just like this. Few seconds, bend the microphone, it's inside, and I'm ready to motovlog again. This is a solution that I found. It's working fine. It works on every helmet. You just have to remove the chin guard here because it's not compatible with the chin guard, but the sound, I think it is reasonable. If you like this solution, the gripper mount, there's a review which you have a link somewhere here. Microphone, it's a cheap Amazon microphone. I bought two of them for $12. They are cheap, they are flexible, and they have good sound. Action camera, you can use whatever action cam that you want. Having said this, guys, I hope that you like this video, especially this solution. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell, follow my other networks, leave your comments down below, because our friend SpitfirePT is gonna say bye!